I had a hand to lift that one in, which is cool. The sun is here at the moment in the house, so he offered, and I said, yeah, I'll have a lift, mate, thank you very much. So that was good. Take it up a little. Nice. When you're doing PowerPoints and that, you know, it's a little bit hard to you're juggling with it, and the weight of it just makes it a little bit easier with the hand. Another one of these. Clip it up. That is a very good high quality tile, that. Right, my next one will be this end going that way. Now I'll go off the bench. I was just thinking then, the quiet pause. Sometimes you go off the corner. But it's better to go off the bench in this case. Right, so my height, it's not that one. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. Right, I start with my height. My height is that. Let's cut the height first. That's cool. I've got a little bit of play here with the architrave being thicker, a thicker profile. That's brilliant. I've got a bit of room. I can be a couple of mil loose. I want to be pretty accurate if I can, but I do have a little bit of leeway. So right, let's start with the height and cut the height first. Cool. We're starting with the height first. Give myself a bit of room. Cut right through at each end. Always when you go a light score first, you get stuff all chipping. I've used a wet sponge because it keeps down the dust. There's no advantage with this blade, it's pretty good. Doesn't matter whether you're cutting dry or wet. Running out of water in the sponge. This is a high quality porcelain because you've got absolutely stuff all chipped. The cheaper version of porcelain, your chipping is the actual print on top. I don't know a hell of a lot how they make porcelain, but I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong people, it's still printed on the top. It's not actually in the tile, you know, like marble is what you see on the top. It's the same all the way through. Porcelain is not like that. Right, I don't cut it to length, but I have got to measure my length to the window. Let's do it.